Looks like the Coast Guard might be doing some training or something, but this is the location of the first flight. Kind of ironic. All right, so we are here in Outer Banks, North Carolina. It's a overcast day, not too bad out. Nice temperature for a ride down from the Hampton Roads area where I live. About 2 hours. But it is the kickoff of 4th of July weekend, and it is going to get busy down here. I'm glad I got down here first thing instead of, because it's now, what's 10:16 in the morning. I was originally going to leave earlier, but I had some commitments I had to take care of before I left, but it still made good time. There's not a bunch of traffic down here for me to have to worry about. So I'm gonna go to the Wright Memorial Park, National Park. I'm gonna get some drone footage outside of it because I can't get any inside of it because it is a national park and you cannot fly in national parks. But I picked out a location to fly from and fly around the park, and then I will go on the rest of my way. But definitely gonna do a walk around inside the park, inside the building that the visitor center, if you will, and then walk around in the field where they first flew at. So it should be pretty cool. But I appreciate y'all riding with me. Please like, share, and subscribe. Comment below. That way we keep the communication going, keep the channel flowing. Channel is in its infancy. You know, I'm just starting out. I've done videos for years. As you can see on this page, there's some 12-year-old videos that are of RC cars and stuff like that, which I really like to do back in the day, and I still would too, but it's just time consuming, and there's nowhere really to race around here that I'm aware of. So, but kind of taking up other hobbies, as you can tell. But this channel's gone back, you know, 12, 13 years in different forms. You'll see different things on it, but now I'm committed to, you know, motorcycle vlogging, trips, giving my input as a new Harley rider. I'm not a new motorcycle rider, but I am a new Harley rider, which, you know, I don't care what they say, it's different. And so I really want to kind of share what I think as being my second year in the Harley dealership, Harley family, if you will, and what that looks like, and all the possibilities and all the money that comes with being in the Harley family. Because we all know HD stands for $100, and nobody told me that until I bought a bike. Oh, come on, man, you gotta let me know. At least let me get a Kawasaki or something. But when I was shopping around, I couldn't do it, man. The Harleys were just, they were beautiful. They have that legendary history, you know, which you can't ignore. You just can't. You know, you can talk trash, you can talk about how much they leak oil and this and that, blah, 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 blah. But the fact of the matter is, you can't ignore the history that Harley Davidson has and the heritage and everything else that comes with it. We're getting ready to turn into the park right now. Gonna make this right into the park, snap a couple photos, catch some video, walk around, and then I'll be out of here. I'm hoping to be out of here in like an hour or so. We'll see how that plays out. But my understanding is the admission is $10. I don't know if they do a military discount admission or anything like that, but I definitely will ask. I don't have my, I need to get with my wife. I don't have my America the Great Pass or whatever it's called, but I definitely need to get that. And good. Can I use my ID for admission, or do I actually have to have the pass?
Oh, you have to have the pass.
Okay,
Which
all right.
pass did you have?
The one, you know, you send off for it. It's like the America the Great or something like that.
You have to have that one.
Okay, all right, fair enough. I kind of figured.
Military or veteran, that I can do your ID.
Well, yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Oh, you have
Yeah.
that?
I'm sorry, I probably said that the wrong way.
No. We have an interagency too. Is it on your license, or you have your veteran's card?
Oh yeah, I got both.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you want another pass, or you just don't have it with you?
I would take another pass because I think my wife has the other one, and you know. Okay, thank you. Because then I can keep that on me. You know what I mean?
All right, if you don't mind, just sign that.
Sure. There you go.
Thank you.
All right.
All right, you are all set.
All right, thank you, ma'am.
You're very welcome. Have a great day.
You too.
Stay cool out there.
Yeah, I'm gonna try for sure. All right, so that worked out. All you gotta do is ask nicely. So we're here at the Wright Brothers National Memorial. I parked the bike down at the other end and I walked up. There's a crowd coming straight ahead that I want to beat before I go up there at the memorial right there and take a look around. But like I said, I wanted to beat the crowd before they get up there. But I'm gonna walk up that hill, get some footage, and then walk back down. So come on with me. This being the home of First Flight, there's an airfield over here to my right. You can see the aircraft down over there. There's a runway over there and everything. And then also, you have the monument right here. It's a little uphill, not gonna lie. The inscription at the bottom reads, in commemoration of the conquest of air. It's pretty cool. And then as we come around the corner, you get a glimpse of what was the airfield. And we'll go down there towards the bottom after I'm done up here. This side says, achieved by dauntless resolution and unconquerable. How you doing? All right. It's pretty neat. Really nice, subtle memorial. Nothing overdone. All right. It's all the way around. Working my way backwards, but this says Big Kill Devil Hill. When the Wright brothers were here, Kill Devil Hill, the hill in front of you, so up there, was a massive sand dune. Thousands of times the brothers trekked up this and 3 nearby dunes to conduct glider experiments. Climbing the hill was strenuous. Deep, soft sand caused every step up the slope to slip part way back down. The Wrights were also burdened with carrying their heavy gliders up the hill for each flight. Their tireless efforts paid off as they mastered their flying skills and refined their flight controls.
kind of cool.
Looks like the Coast Guard might be doing some training or something, but this is the location of the first flight. Kind of ironic. Helicopter flight. It's kind of cool.
So I can't tell if this is a mock-up or if this is like, it probably is a mock-up of the original. But here's a shot of the Wright Brothers plane. They did the first flight in. This is actually the front. According to the picture here, it's actually the front of it. You can see right there in that image right there, it's the controls and he's laying there towards the front. So pretty cool to see. And they have other parts, the crankcase, the prop, all that other kind of stuff. They have other parts in here as well. Here's the crankcase for the motor, or for the engine. They say it's a real thing. Looks like 4 pistons. You can see where it's cracked off back there in the back there. Broken at some point, I'm sure.
All right, so I did my walking around here at the Wright Brothers National Memorial. Pretty cool to see. I'd say worth it. If I would have got here earlier like I wanted to at 9, then I wouldn't have dealt with as many folks. But it was cool to see the history and what the different things are. Normally I don't stop and read the plaques, but in this particular case I did stop and read the plaques just to, you know, get a full appreciation for what it is that they were working through and dealing with. That Coast Guard helicopter that was flying was kind of cool. You don't get to see that every day, especially up close and personal. Ooh, take me a picture, include in this little journey. All right, let's get focused here. Go get some food. Huh? All right, so check this off the list. Been there, done that. All right, so next stop is Kill Devil Hills Frozen Custard for some rub-a-dub-dub. Oh, goodness. I feel bad taking up a whole parking spot. What am I gonna do?
All right, I'm here at Kill Devil Hills Frozen Custard and Beach Fries. Like I said, this is one of the places I visit with my family, and I wanted to come back on the bike just to kind of make it official with the bike anyway. But got me a Carolina burger. It's got coleslaw and chili on it. Gonna take this down and then get back on the road and start getting some more shots and footage.